This is a purse I got from Hobby Lobby. Well, I really took it another level this morning, and I decided I was going to paint. But I was also thinking, I've got these gorgeous transfers that I got on Amazon the other day. Well, these are transfers, very simply done. And what I have to cut it because I have to piece it on here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put this. Now you got it all nice and painted up, right? All you're gonna do is you're gonna peel it off the backing. This is gonna be like super simple. Okay, and you're just gonna place it. Now you're gonna want to look at where you're gonna want to put your piece. You know, this piece too. If you're gonna put it in the middle, if you're gonna put it in the middle of this, if you want to put this up high, put this down low, kind of a thing. And then take a couple of these smaller ones and kind of incorporate them, you know, like kind of on a diagonal. Right now, I like the way this fits underneath this. And what it'll do is it'll go down underneath the snap. I'm hoping it'll adhere to this because this is very bumpy and lumpy. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start getting it down. It's already starting to look very spring-ish, right? Isn't that pretty? Loving this. It looks like it's on there pretty good. I'm going to give it a little heat is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it a little rub. Whoops. Right? On paper. Okay, and what's going to happen when I hit it with the sealer, it's going to seal on there very nicely. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this gorgeous rose gold Totally Dazzled right there. And I'm going to pick some more of these to go on. The top part here. Might even put, how pretty is that? Isn't that looking gorgeous already? I love another little grouping. I kind of like it the way it is. I like a little trio here of all these pretty flowers. Now, before I put the transfer on, or the applique, I want to show you what I got here. I got one of these little, I got this, I think, at Joann's some years ago. I bought a bunch of them. They were on sale, clearance, or whatever, but you can get little purse handles at Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, all the places like that. And they have little hinges on them like this. And what I was thinking of doing, crocodile, and I'm going to make a hole, 2 holes actually. I'm going to make 2 here and 2 here. I'm going to mark a spot with my little marker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mark on either side, one here and one here where these holes are going to go. Okay, and you're going to put it right in here. I have made. All right, where's my needle? What I'm going to do is I am going to go in through the back here, obviously. In through the back, out through the front, like this. And I'm not going to double it. I'm going to do a single ribbon here. And it will go through. It's going to end up like that. So let's do it the right way, Susie. And I'm going to make a little knot here. We're going to go do the other side. Shall we, Blaine? Shall we? Yes, we shall. All right, that with the pearls. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Seriously. I'm going to show you how to seal this. Anyway, I'm using a baby wipe. Let me tell you why. I need something wet and soft that's going to go over this. This is called Fusion Mineral Paint Clear Tough Coat, and I use it to seal furniture when I'm, you know, doing furniture or whatever. Dry it up a little. Go. Isn't that adorable? How sweet is that bag? It went from this to this.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.